Hello there, I'm BobbyInBlue, and on this channel we talk about all things tech. I don't know about you guys, but Anker has become a pretty popular brand name around our house. Whether it's the chargers or their USB-C cables or their MagSafe accessories, we've got a bunch of different Anker stuff and it seems to always hold up and do really well. Well, this is their latest product that caught my eye. This is the Anker MagGo USB-C adapter. And like its name, it's got a USB-C cable right here that comes out of the back of it. And then it's got this cover on the front here that pops off to reveal a place where you can put a micro SD card and or a full-size SD card. And this allows you to plug in a micro SD card or full-size SD into your phone. Now this is specifically made to work with the iPhone with the MagSafe adapter on the back here. This just hooks right to that MagSafe area on the back of your phone and then plugs in the bottom USB-C. So you do need one of the newer iPhones that has USB-C. This device will work with other devices as well, so if you wanted to use it with your Android phone, you could pick up a MagSafe case for your Android phone and it would attach to the back, or you could use it with it and just not have it attached to it. Our phones are getting more and more capable with being able to shoot raw photos, shoot videos in ProRes, log, and also high frame rates in video as well. Nobody wants to fill up their iPhone with photos and videos and not have storage to be able to run your device, and many of these file formats require you to have some kind of external drive or external solution plugged into your phone to be able to record. So many companies have come out with mobile-friendly solid-state drives or SSDs that can kind of attach to your phone so you can record these higher-end formats. I love the idea of being able to get these high-end video formats right there on my phone, but I also want to keep my phone nice and small. So I like the size of this new Anker drive. It doesn't really bulk up the size of my phone. You pop off the cover and load up an SD card, plug it in with a 90-degree USB-C plug at the bottom, and then attach it to the back of your iPhone with MagSafe. The cord of the Anker MagGo USB-C adapter is permanently attached, and it folds up into the puck-like body of the device, just like this. ProRes, log, or higher frame rate footage are all really large files that require fast transfer speeds when you're looking at a drive to be able to record them to. So naturally, you need an SD card that has high enough read and write speeds to be able to work with these higher-end video formats. Anker has a helpful guide on their website so that you can see exactly which kind of SD card that you're going to need for each of the different formats that you may want to shoot. So for best results, if you wanted to shoot in ProRes 4K video at 60 frames per second, you would want to get a card that had at least 220 megabits per second in speed and a size of at least 256 gigs. With the release of the new iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, you can now shoot video in 4K up to 120 frames per second. To be able to record 4K 120 to an external device, you would need something that had transfer speeds of at least 440 megabits per second, which means it's going to be best to get an SSD at that point because most SD cards top out at 312 megabits per second. The Anker MagGo USB-C adapter can also be used to transfer files to your iPhone from an SD card. I've got some footage and a couple photos here from my Insta360 Ace Pro that I want to transfer to my iPhone. It's got great transfer speeds and it makes it a little quicker than trying to transfer those over Wi-Fi. You just go into the File Manager app and you can open up the SD card and view the different files that are on your memory card. And then you can select each of them that you want to transfer to your phone and transfer them over to your phone. You can also transfer photos or videos from your iPhone to the SD card. I like to open up my Photos app and select the different photos or videos that I'd like to transfer. And then I click the Share button in the corner here and select Save to Files. And then I just navigate to my SD card inside of the Files app and then save them in the place where I'd like them. A few things to keep in mind: there's a place where the USB-C cable kind of attaches to the body of the reader here. It doesn't really stay in there the best. It kind of just pops out even though you keep putting it back in. And then this front part right here where the cover goes for the SD cards are, it's attached with magnets and it doesn't necessarily stay on the best. And so this isn't meant to be this kind of ultra robust, like perfect solution. It's a little flimsy in some ways, but it really does do a good job and it comes in at a great price. Even though it's made for the iPhone with the MagSafe adapter here on the back, it does work with other devices. I've used it with the Google Pixel as well as plugged it into my laptop as a card reader. Cost-wise, at the time of recording this video, this was right around $35. And then I did spend about $65 on an SD card to be able to go inside of here, so I had some storage as well. You can get a fairly good storage solution for your iPhone for right around $100. I see myself using this in two ways: plugging it into my phone when I want to record those higher end video formats like ProRes, log, or higher frame rates. And then I also like the idea of transferring footage from a different camera like the Insta360 Ace Pro to my phone so that I can quickly put something up on my social. Altogether, it's a solid device at a great price. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you would use and how you'd use it. Thanks for watching. I'm BobbyInBlue, and on this channel we talk about how to get the most out of your tech. We'll see you in the next one.